The EA Warbirds of America was founded back in 1964, and it was basically a bunch of former military pilots, mostly from World War II in Korea, that found surplus aircraft. And then they were able to buy them very cheaply, and then it became a hobby. And it grew into a division of Experimental Aircraft Association. The evolution of this whole group of organizations coming into one over the last 60, almost 70 years has been pretty great. Icom has been great over the years because you guys have done a fabulous job of supporting not only the people in the tower with the proper radios, but also with what we need on the ramp. Your radios are very versatile, very well built, and simple to operate. The reliability is fantastic with Icom equipment. We've used your radios extensively when we've had an emergency on the field, with fast-moving weather systems coming in and out, lost children, because the Warbird Tower, we do it not just only work with pilots and our rampers, but we work with the general public as well. Icom really makes AirVenture work, and the Warbirds of America work.